Welcome to Arun's Techforge Python programming series. I am Arun Barua and I welcome you to the Python programming series. So let us begin. We are learning Python and we are in chapter 6 functions, right? Today we will learn map function. Okay, let me go to the programming environment. What is exactly a map function? A map function is a function that applies a function to member of an iterable class or iterable object. Iterable objects like the list. Okay, so map function will apply function, okay, to an iterable like list. This is the syntax. Okay, this is the syntax. Now think that we are having a list of numbers here. Let me run it, and if we see the list, you will get the list output like this, right? Now below, what if we want to square each of these item? What we can do? Suppose we want to square each of the item in this list. So what we do, we can use a for loop, right? For I in this numbers, colon, we can say result equals to I into I. Now let us run it. Now see, the number 1 is there, right? First subscript, 1 into 1 equals to 1, next 2, 2 into 2 equals to 4, 3 into 3 equals to 9, like this it has counted. So this is one way you can iterate each and every element of a list and perform the square operation. For example, in this example. Now there is a nice features given, and that is the map function. Let us see how we can do using the map statement, right? Sorry, not map is not a statement, I'm sorry. Map is a function. So let me define a function name square, okay, and we are simply returning x to the power 2. It means we are using the x to the power, right? Now run this. Let me test, say print this square, and if we say 2, what we will get? We should get 4. Okay, so function is right. Now let us apply this to this particular list. New list equals to map, okay, and we use this particular function square. Okay, we are actually applying the function square. Then we will be giving what? Giving the name of the list, right? We will let us copy this one, and here we give it. Let us run it. Now what is this? This will be of map type, right? Now in order to see the contents of this in Python 3, we have to use list function, and you see the result is exactly same as we did in this particular function, right? So we applied the particular function square to the entire list of numbers. So this is very handy. What if we try to apply these functions? What if we used to call this function square result equals to And here if we provide NUMBERS numbers, these numbers, we will get an error. See, unsupported operand type. So we are passing actually a list here, whereas inside this function where we define, we are just using the power function, right? Power of 2. So 2 is an integer, and so we cannot perform directly an operation of type list with an integer. Okay, that is why we got this error. However, we can make use of map function and we can perform this particular operation, that is square square. Okay, we can apply this function, whatever functions we define, that is the name of the function we pass here, and the list numbers, right? NUMBERS numbers. Now it is done. Then list of res, you will get this thing, right? So this is an example of map function. This is how you can apply map function. And that is the end of this tutorial. Stay tuned, we will discuss filter in next section. Thank you.